Hey everyone, my name is Brian Campbell, and I am a NASA Senior Earth Science Specialist at the NASA Wallops Flight Facility, Wallops Island, Virginia. I also am the Trees Science Lead for the NASA Globe Observer Citizen Science Tool, and I am the lead for the Trees Around the Globe Student Research Campaign, also the ICESat-2 mission, the Ice Cloud Land Elevation Satellite 2 Education Lead, and I am the NASA Wallops Earth Science Liaison. One thing that's really cool about what I do, okay, is that I get to interact with people all over the world, literally, through the GLOBE program, through NASA, things like that. And when I was in college at the University of Pittsburgh in the early to mid 90s in undergraduate and graduate school, I was in geology and planetary science, and also I had a dual major, history and philosophy of science. So I use those things all the time, because I look at the science that I do now. But then I like to know the historical basis and the theories behind the science that I do every day. The several decades that I've been at NASA, I use these things all the time. There are some things, though, that I really didn't figure that I'd use as much as I do now, and that's looking at satellite imagery. Back when I was in college, there wasn't a lot of really advanced technology yet like we have today with NASA Earth observing satellites. And back then, there were some things out there, like Topex Poseidon was just being built, the JASON program was just being, discussed. But nowadays, one of the things that I really used I didn't expect was the really finite, really close analysis of satellite data. When you look at a satellite image, you can find out so many things basically about what's happening in the environment that satellite picture encompasses. So, it's really important to really understand what's happening in STEM. It's really important to know what you want to get into, okay? But everything you do has an extension. If I can have, any words of wisdom for you, it would be like the science never stops, right? The science continues, the mathematics continue, the engineering continues, the technology gets better. And we need people who want to get into STEM careers and things like that. So, science never stops is the best wisdom I can give you, because every time you come up with an answer to a science question, 10 more questions arise. So, hopefully you learned a little bit about, what I do, and thank you so much. Good luck.